Welcome to a world of golden sands, story nets, and unforgettable flavors. Today, we take you deep into the Arabian deserts to discover ancient recipes full of spices, stories, and secrets. Get ready to taste of magic of the desert. Let's begin our delicious journey. The Arabian desert is a land of beauty and mystery. Life here is simple but full of tradition and flavor. The people of the desert, called Bedouins, have lived for hundreds of years in the sand and heat. They learned how to cook delicious food with very few ingredients. Their recipes are easy, healthy, and full of taste. Let's explore some famous Arabian dessert recipes. Number 1, Hope's dessert bread. Hope is a type of flat bread. It is simple to make and very tasty. Bedouins cook it on hot stones or over a fire. To make hopes, you only need flour, water, and a little salt. Mix them together to make a soft dough. Then flatten it and cook it until it is golden brown. It is soft inside and crispy outside. People eat hopes with meat, cheese, or honey. Number 2, Mansep, lamb and rice. Mansep is a special dish for big celebrations. It is made with lamb, rice, or yogurt sauce. First, the lamb is cooked slowly until it becomes very soft. Then, the rice is added with lots of spices like turmeric and cinnamon. The yogurt sauce is poured on top. Mansep is served on a big plate and everyone eats together. It shows the spirit of sharing in the desert. Medfun, smoked meat. Medfun means buried in Arabic. It is a traditional way of cooking meat under the sand. A hole is dug in the ground. Hot stones are placed inside. Then the meat, usually lamb or chicken, is seasoned with spices and wrapped in foil. It is placed inside a hole and covered. After hours of slow cooking, the meat becomes tender and juicy. It smells amazing. Number 4, Harris, wheat and meat forage. Harris is a simple but rich dish. It is made with wheat and meat. First, wheat is soaked in water for many hours. Then, meat like lamb or chicken is added. Everything is cooked slowly until it becomes soft like porridge. Harris is often eaten during Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. It is filling and gives a lot of energy. Number 5, dates and camel milk. In the desert, people love to eat dates. Dates are sweet fruits that grow on palm trees. They are full of energy and vitamins. Bedouins often eat dates with camel milk. Camel milk is rich and full of good nutrients. Together, they make a perfect snack, especially during long desert journeys. Number 6, desert coffee. Kawa. Arabian coffee is very special. It is not like a regular coffee. It is made with light coffee beans and mixed with cardamom. Sometimes people add cloves or saffron for extra flavor. The coffee is served in small cups without sugar. It is always served with dates. During drinking coffee is a big part of Bedouin hospitality. It means friendship and respect. Number 7, Basbousa sweet cake. For dessert, basbousa is very popular. It is a soft cake made from semolina, sugar, yogurt, and coconut. After baking, sweet syrup is poured on top. Basbousa is moist, sweet, and melts in your mouth. It is perfect with a cup of dessert coffee. Arabian dessert recipes are simple but full of flavor. They show the smart ways people have used natural ingredients for centuries, whether it is a smoky meat of medfun, the sweetest of dates and milk, or the fresh smell of dessert coffee. Every bite tells a story. These recipes connect you to the heart of the dessert and the warm spirit of its people. Try them and enjoy the magic of Arabian food at home.